Hey you! Welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix Discord is not opening on your PC. This is quite simple, but first of all what we're gonna do is Ctrl-Alt-Delete and then open your task manager. Then from here make sure that you close or end the task Discord and that you close all the other tasks from Discord. So check everything just right here in the list and make sure that you closed everything. Then we click on the cross and then from here we do %appdata % and then do enter. Then from here we go to Discord and just right here make sure that you delete the cache, the code cache and the GPU cache. Then do enter and please don't get scared because you will receive these files back when you open your Discord. Alright, then click on cross and then from here we want to reinstall Discord. So what we're gonna do is search for programs, add or remove programs, search for Discord and then click on Discord and make sure that you uninstall Discord. Now then click on the cross, then we go to Google Chrome, search for Discord Windows and then click on this and make sure that you download for Windows your Discord again. Then click on the cross, go to here, click on or search for Discord and then make sure that you run Discord as administrator. Do yes. And right now we just opened Discord and these are the things that you need to do to get back in your Discord application. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.